and you're gonna rub. Hey, don't go fast. Start slow. You go fast, you're gonna get tired quickly. Okay? Start slow like this. Once you get in a groove and you see the smoke, you pick up the speed like this. Then you get tired. All right, you guys see the smoke? Did you see the smoke? That's fire. You want to see a bigger fire? Let me go get some gasoline. All right. The friction, ladies and gentlemen, creates these small burning particles. Look at this. Okay? You came all the way over here to see that right there. Now, to make a bigger fire, you transfer this to something dry. Dry leaves, dry newspaper, blonde hair. We use a dry coconut husk right here. This is what we call pulu. Everyone say pulu. One more time, pulu. Same thing, this has to be dry. If it's wet, it won't work. Leave it in the sun, dry it out. And you transfer the burning particles to the coconut husk. And you give it some air. Good stuff. We are known as the happy people. Are you guys happy? If you're happy and you know it, clap your head. I am so happy. Tonight, my friends, we shared you the fire knife dancing from the islands of Samoa. Wherever you go in this world, ladies and gentlemen, you see the fire knife dancing. Remember, it originated from the islands of Samoa. So yeah, you guys are in for a treat. This is the little one. This is Jax. Everyone say hi, Jax. Jax is only 8 years old, ladies and gentlemen. He started ever since he was 4. I know you teach your kids not to play with fire and knives. In Samoa, we put it together and we give it to the kids. And we watch them suffer. Fire in Samoa, we say afi. Everyone say afi. One more time, afi. It's supposed to work. Let's try this again. Everyone put your hands together. Pray for me. One more time, everyone say fire! Afi! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.